The DirtWhacker Secondary Belt Cleaner range is designed to provide the industry with a conveyor belt cleaning solution on the conveyor belt top cover as it returns from the head pulley. The installation steps laid out here in correct order would assist in making the fitting of the DirtWhacker Secondary Belt Cleaner a success. There are two set ways of installing the DirtWhacker Secondary Belt Cleaners. This is the second method. Mount main mounting brackets. Pump the air bladder to 50 kilopascals. Measure distance L2. L2 is measured from the outside of the clamping blocks. Loosen bolts N on the main frame. Adjust the extension shafts to distance L1. L1 is equal to L2 plus 10 millimeters. L1 is measured on the extension pieces as indicated. Equalize measurements L4 and L5 while maintaining distance L1. L4 and L5 is measured on the extension pieces as indicated. Tighten bolts N and lock nuts. Remove bolts A and clamp block cap M2 on the near side. Loosen bolts A on the far side by 3 full turns. Insert one round section of extension piece into clamp block M1, M2 on the far side. Place the remaining extension piece round section into clamp block M1 on the near side. Replace clamp block cap M2 and bolts A on the near side. Ensure that bolts A on the near and far side are loosened by 1 full turn. Turn the unit on the horizontal axis till the blades are positioned 90 degrees to the belt. Tighten bolts A, both sides. Loosen bolt C, both sides 1 full turn. Move the unit up until the blades touch the belt on the near and far sides uniformly. Tighten bolt C, both sides. Ensure that the conveyor belt is running. Deflate the air bladder to 30 kilopascals. Loosen bolts B and move angle brackets E towards clamp blocks M1, M2 on both sides. Tighten bolts B, both sides. Loosen bolt C, both sides. By means of bolts G, move clamping blocks M1, M2 towards the belt, both sides. As the parallelogram collapses, line the vertical center line of the blade with the vertical center line of the extension piece, both sides. Lock bolt G with lock nut G1, both sides. Tighten bolt C, both sides. Inflate air bladder 30 to 70 kilopascals to attain ideal cleaning. A. Depending on the belt speed. B. Depending on the belt condition. C. Depending on the stickiness of material. D. Depending on the moisture content of material. If any vibration occurs, loosen bolts A half a turn both sides. Rotate unit 2 to 3 degrees towards the head pulley until vibration stops. Tighten bolts A both sides.